Hi,
Hey,
how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. What's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's your name?
My name is John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Saudi Arabia. I think you're American. Where are you from?
Yes, I'm American, and I'm from New York. Are you a new student?
Yes, I am. I'm new, and I'm feeling quite stressed. I don't know my way around.
Welcome to the United States. Don't worry, I'll help you.
Thank you, John.
What's your major in college?
My major is chemistry. What about you?
I'm studying computer engineering. Good luck. How old are you?
Thank you. I'm 19, and you?
I'm 20. I really want to visit Saudi Arabia. Hopefully, I'll take a trip there during the holidays.
That sounds great. I'll be your guide.
Thanks. I heard they really love car racing there, especially Toyota. Is that true?
Yes, that's true. Whether in the desert or on the road, it doesn't make a difference.
Do you like it here?
Yes, it's very beautiful here. Which department is your college in?
The engineering department is next to the sports hall. What time is it?
It's 9:30. Do you have a class?
Yes, I have math class at 10 o'clock.
Okay.
What do you like to watch on TV?
I like to watch drama and thriller movies on TV.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is A Healthy Mind.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
What is your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place is the city of Zurich in Switzerland.
Do you have plans for the weekend?
Yes, I plan to go to the cinema.
Who is your favorite male actor?
My favorite actor is Tom Cruise.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
Do you have a pet?
No, we don't keep pets because it goes against our beliefs.
When was the last time you visited a museum?
I visited a museum last year in Dubai.
What are you doing right now?
I'm currently answering your questions.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12:30.
Where do you work?
I used to work at a bookstore, but I don't have a job now.
What is your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is laboratory work.
Have you ever traveled by plane?
Yes, I have traveled by plane.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can do a little Arabic dance.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Nancy Ajram.
What did you do yesterday?
I went shopping.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is volleyball.
What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to read books.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages, Arabic and English, and a bit of Persian.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holidays are Islamic celebrations.
What did you have for breakfast this morning?
For breakfast today, I had peanut butter and milk.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is grilled meat.
What time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 in the morning.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to go for a walk on weekends.
Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yes, I have been to a zoo once.
How do you go to university?
I go to university by bus.
What month were you born?
In the Gregorian calendar, I was born in June. How about you?
I was born in August. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
You speak English very well. Did you learn it before?
Thank you. Yes, I went to an English school in my hometown.
Which city did you live in?
I live in Riyadh. Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11:30 p.m.
When did you start learning English?
I started learning English 3 years ago.
See you later. I have to go to class.
Okay. See you later.